I decided to intern for Kuraray because when I was looking for a company, I knew I wanted to find one that aligned with the goals that I felt were important for a company to have, and those were safety, sustainability, and innovation. So I wanted the company I work for to have a really big emphasis on the safety of everyone that works there so we could all go home to our families at the end of the day. And I also knew that I wanted the products we make to be sustainable, so I'd have peace of mind about that, and then innovation so that every day could be a little different, keeps things interesting throughout my career. The internship's definitely given me a better idea of what I want to do. I know now that I want to work in a lab. I never worked in an industrial lab before, only at school. So it was a really good opportunity to see that I do enjoy doing that, even if it's maybe not working as like a sampling tester, but I definitely do want to work in a lab in some form. So that was really helpful. I'd say the company culture at Kuraray is very inclusive. I feel like everybody really respects everyone and is always wanting to lend a helping hand, and so that's really nice. The best part of the internship was definitely meeting everyone, the interns and also the people at my plant and other plants. It's been really nice to get to know different perspectives about people working in industry, and I found that really, really helpful, and also just advice for how to approach careers and the rest of your life. Advice I'd give to someone wanting to intern at Kuraray is to absolutely go for it. It's a wonderful company and everyone here wants to help you, and if you think that you might be the right fit, I think you should go for it.